Coming up on today's episode of Airborne Unlimited. Superior Air Parts grounds and buys back XP382 and 400 engines. PS Engineering introduces a new PAC45A audio controller. Cessna 190 and 195 added to STC Group AML. I'm your host, Sophie Herlock. In a decision affecting hundreds of engines, Superior Air Parts confirmed they are implementing a mandatory grounding and buyback of all their XP382 and XP400 experimental aircraft engines. Bill Ross, Superior Air Parts VP, explained the company's decision to take the engines out of the market comes after a lengthy evaluation and testing process. He is quoted as saying, "When we first learned of the breadth of the detonation problem, we contacted the XP400 engine owners and paid to have them ship their engines to our facility for evaluation. We disassembled, inspected, and tested the key components in each engine." Ross added, even after the company took all available steps to adjust the engine's ignition timing to reduce internal stress, the results were still unsatisfactory. While detonation problems are currently confined to the XP400 engines, the XP382 will also be taken off the market due to the shared internal components between the two engines. Ross was quoted as saying, "I want to be 100% clear that the grounding buyback mandate does not include any XP320 or XP360 engines." After the break, Chinese Airline sues passenger looking for luck.
Sandia introduces the new SAI 340 Quattro TSO'd airspeed, attitude, altitude, and slip. With integral backup battery, safety never looked so good. See it now at www.sandia.aero.
Build and flying with the most exciting line of kit aircraft on the market, the Sonex Aircraft B models. The B models offer more room and comfort, more fuel, more panel space, more engine choices, and the same great Sonex Aircraft flight characteristics. Learn more at sonexaircraft.com.
Welcome back. If you have a story suggestion for any of our video programs, website, or podcast, just email to news-spy@aero-news.net. With so much news coming out of the aviation industry, we bring you Around the Patch. Chinese carrier Lucky Air is suing a passenger who threw 2 yuan coins into the engine of an airliner he was boarding. The airline states the passenger's actions will cost them the equivalent of $21,000 and has affected 162 passengers. The flight was grounded and eventually canceled for security reasons. The FAA has awarded Onboard Systems International the STC certificate for its dual cargo hook kit for the MD500 series. The cargo hook system meets 14 CFR Part 27 certification requirements for human external cargo and has been built around a dual installation of Onboard's Talon LC hydraulic hook. Duncan Aviation's Engineering and Certification Services Department has created a searchable database of supplemental type certificates. This database is available for sale and can be accessed at duncanaviation.aero/services/engineering. The Airline Pilots Association International commended DOTS's Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration for issuing a rule that would enhance safety provisions for lithium batteries transported by aircraft in the U.S. ALPA President Captain Joe DePete said, "This rulemaking is a major enhancement to U.S. safety and supports ALPS's long-held position that the shipment of lithium-ion batteries by air poses a significant safety risk." And that was today's Around the Patch. PS Engineering introduced the latest variant of the PAC45, an FAA TSO'd special mission audio controller with MultiTalker. The result is the PAC45A, which accommodates up to 4 individual control heads, interfaces up to 8 comm radios and 8 switch receiver inputs, has FlightMate with 9 customizable audio alerts, and incorporates 2 built-in speaker amplifiers, all with a single interface hub. The 9-place hi-fi stereo intercom has IntelliVox and PTT-ICS. Bluetooth interface for wireless telephone and music streaming is available. To assure plenty of signal and strength in the cabin, an external Bluetooth antenna is provided. Offside comm allows monitoring other comms when transmitting. The PAC45 also includes a radio receive indicator and comes standard with remote ICS and swap switch capabilities. After these messages, Cessna 190 and 195 added to STC Group AML.
There's a difference between charting a steady course and pushing for the ceiling. And for nearly a century, Hartzell Propeller has been defining that difference. It's in our passion for engineering and research and our dedication to testing the limits of performance. We are built on honor. We are Hartzell Propeller.
Based on the popular Sling 2 LSA, the Sling 4 was designed to be the most practical and desirable lightweight 4-place experimental aircraft on the market. Find out more about this 115 horsepower turbocharged airplane at airplanefactory.com.
Concorde's recombinant gas RG series sealed battery technology produces a high-performance battery with the advantages of being pre-tested and fully charged at the factory. Find out more about Concorde's entire line of batteries at www.concordebattery.com. Concorde, the heart of your aircraft.
The STC Group received an STC for the installation kit for the non-TSO'd Trio Pilot digital autopilot into Cessna 190, 195, LC-126A and LC-126B. The Cessna LC-126 prototype airframe is in the Oxnard, California facility, and the project should be completed over the next month. The Trio Pro Pilot Autopilot reportedly brings a robust set of features at an affordable price. The 2-axis Pro Pilot model utilizes roll and auto trim pitch servos to provide precise horizontal and vertical navigation capabilities. Altitude control includes climb and descent functions with altitude pre-selected. When connected to WAAS-enabled GPS, ProPilot can fly the lateral and vertical portions of RNAV approaches and other procedures. The digital autopilot also provides flight envelope protection, while an automatic 180-degree turn feature can also guide VFR pilots out of weather encounters. Thanks for watching our program. Remember, Airborne Unlimited streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you're watching us on YouTube, please subscribe and check us out on Twitter and Facebook. Get real-time 24/7 coverage of the latest aviation aerospace stories anytime at aero-news.net.